this experiment, we'll take a matchbox, a candle, a glass and a light surface. Now we will light the candle. Put the candle on the light surface. Then we'll put the glass over it and we'll press on it. And when the candle lights off, we have to wait for 2 or 3 minutes. Now we will try to lift this up. It creates vacuum. Now I'll get comfortable and explain the science behind it. When we light the candle and put the glass over it, the air inside the glass gets heated up and it expands. When the candle blows out, the air inside the glass cools down and shrinks. So that makes the vacuum perfect so that we can lift